The world of graphics processing units, GPUs, is constantly evolving, with AMD and Nvidia locked in a relentless battle for dominance. Each generation of hardware pushes the boundaries of gaming and rendering performance, but something unprecedented is on the horizon. The upcoming AMD RX 9700 XT is making headlines, with many experts speculating that it could shift the balance of power. Could this be the GPU that forces Nvidia's RTX 5000 series into a defensive stance? The answer may surprise you. AMD's latest offering is not solely about raw power, it's about delivering unmatched value. While Nvidia continues to focus on premium pricing and high-end exclusivity, AMD is taking a different path. The RX 9700 XT is designed to provide exceptional accessibility, strong performance, and an aggressive pricing model, making it a compelling choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. But can it genuinely stand up to Nvidia's technological superiority? Let's explore in detail. Before diving into what makes the RX 9700 XT a game-changer, let's examine Nvidia's latest innovations. The RTX 5000 series introduces several new features, including driver-level frame generation. Nvidia's smooth motion technology interpolates additional frames to create smoother gameplay and reduced lag, significantly enhancing gaming experiences. DLSS 4, the latest iteration of AI-driven upscaling, which promises substantial improvements in performance and image quality. With Day Zero support for over 75 games and applications, Nvidia is betting heavily on artificial intelligence to maintain its lead. However, there's a crucial limitation. These features are hardware-locked to the RTX 5000 series, meaning users need to invest in the newest models to take advantage of them. AMD, on the other hand, has been working on its own fluid motion frames, FMF, technology, which offers similar benefits but across a much wider range of GPUs. This flexibility and backward compatibility give AMD a significant advantage, as users are not forced to upgrade to access the latest features. The RTX 5000 series, a recurring stock shortage issue. Nvidia's GPUs have consistently demonstrated high power and efficiency, but they come with a persistent issue: stock shortages. The launch of the RTX 5000 series has been no different. Within minutes of release, models like the RTX 590 and RTX 580 were completely sold out, only to reappear on resale platforms at exorbitant prices, sometimes exceeding $4,000. This trend has been seen with multiple Nvidia generations, often due to high demand from gamers, cryptocurrency miners hoarding inventory, artificial scarcity as a marketing tactic. For genuine gamers, this situation is frustrating, as they either miss out entirely or have to pay significantly above MSRP. In contrast, AMD aims to solve this problem with the RX 9700 XT, ensuring better availability at launch. If successful, AMD could capture a significant market share simply by making its product easier to buy at a fair price. Performance breakdown: RX 9700 XT versus RTX 5000 series. Now, let's talk about the most critical factor: performance. According to leaked benchmarks, the RX 9700 XT is poised to outperform the RTX 5000 series in traditional rendering, while also providing competitive ray tracing capabilities. This is a significant development because Nvidia has historically maintained an advantage in ray tracing technology. However, AMD's RDNA 4 architecture is set to revolutionize efficiency, rendering speed, and ray tracing capabilities. Some industry insiders suggest that the RX 9700 XT could match or even surpass the RX 7900 XTX in raw performance, making it an absolute powerhouse for gamers. Price: the real game changer. The biggest surprise in this battle may not be performance alone, but pricing. Initially, rumors suggested the RX 9700 XT would be priced around $899, in line with previous high-end AMD models. However, AMD's Frank Azor quickly dismissed those claims, hinting at a much lower price point. Several industry experts now speculate that the RX 9700 XT could launch between $599 and $650, with some leaks suggesting it may even drop to $499. If true, this would be an absolute game changer. A $599 RX 9700 XT that outperforms or competes with Nvidia's $1,000 RTX 5000 series GPUs would completely disrupt the market. In such a scenario, Nvidia would be left with no choice but to lower prices, as consumers would have little incentive to pay a premium for branding alone. Benchmark comparisons: RX 9700 XT versus RTX 5000 series. Early benchmark leaks reveal fascinating insights. Reports from Moore's Law is Dead suggest that the RX 9700 XT